Hi class, okay, we're back again here. So like I said in the previous video, I will explain double integral first. Okay, so double integral, so like I said or I mentioned just now in the video, so this is the general equation for double integral. So you have double integral symbol here, and you have a function that consists of two variables, okay, x and y, and of course lah dx dy. So this is a, b, c, d. So whereas a, b, c, d, okay, so if you can see, right, okay, first this is x, right? You integral means that if here is x, so this one is limit for x. Okay, this is the limit for x, means that x is between a and b. Okay, and then the outer side, okay, this is for y. Okay, c and d, right? So a, b, c, d is a numbers. Okay, but before I give you example, okay, I already mentioned in the previous video, they have two types, is it? Rectangular and also non-rectangular. Okay, so the keyword here for rectangular, okay, for rectangular, your a, b, c, d, okay, a, b, c, d is your limit, okay, a, b, c, d are numbers, okay, all are numbers, a, b, c, d are numbers, semua tu numbers, okay. For non-rectangular, it must be either one of the limit, okay, either one limit consists of variable, okay, consists of variable means that can be x and can be y, okay, can be x or can be y. Okay, I give you example here. Okay, xy plus 8 dy dx. Okay, so dy inside here, so means that this limit is of y, okay, right? So what's mean by here, what's mean by rectangular here, okay, are numbers, so means that here it can be 0 to 03, for example lah, 0 to 03, so means that you can see all of these fours are numbers, right? Okay, this is rectangular. For non-rectangular, okay, I just use a same function. Okay, for non-rectangular, it must be, one of it must be consist of variable, and actually it supposed must be inside here lah. Okay, inside here, cannot be the outer one, it must be the inside one, yang variable tu. Okay, let's say it give you x square x 0, 1. Okay, x square x 0, 1. So you can see that the first limit here is consist of variable x. So this is a non-rectangular. Okay, this is non-rectangular. Okay, another one here. Okay, the outer, the inside one must be consist of variable, right? Like I said. Okay, so now let's say I give you another one, is y over 2, 0, 1. Okay, can you spot the difference between this one and this one? This one and this one. Okay, you can see that for the limit that consists of variable, okay, the inside one here, they have x square x, and this is dy, okay, dy x square x. Okay, alright, maksudnya is contra lah, okay, it must be contra. If here is dy, must be here x. So now you can see this one, your limit is y, this one is dx. Okay, so it must contra. Okay, okay, so this one is another, under non-rectangular itself, they have another two, okay, another two types. So the first one is type 1, and the second one is type 2. Okay, right, the first one is type 1, the second one is type 2. So means that type 1 is when your this limit, okay, this is y limit lah, okay, the first one is y limit, okay, because this is dy, so your y limit is consist or it must be in term of x variable, and for type y, this is your x limit, okay, so your x limit is between y and y over 2, y over 2. Okay, so type 1, type 2. Okay, make sure you clear on that. Type 1 is when your y equal to something, your limit is y. Type 2 is when your x equal to something. Okay, this is y equal to x, this is x equal to y. Okay, it's switch lah between these two. So this one is non-rectangular. Okay, rectangular obviously is the either one of the limit must be consist of variable, and that one must be the inside one lah. Okay, it cannot be outer. Tak boleh yang kat luar, kena yang kat dalam. Okay, alright. Okay, so that one is non-rectangular and rectangular. So I proceed with the example on how to calculate the limit. How to calculate the integral. Okay. So example 1, let's say you have 0, 3, 0, 2, okay, the same question, okay, dy dx. Okay, how to cater this question? Okay, you need to solve one by one. Okay, so which one that you want to solve first? Okay, we will solve the inside one first. Okay, inside one. So you can take out that one. Okay, you can split it. Okay, we do it one by one, right? Okay, so integrate this one with respect to y first. Okay, so you have x y square over 2, okay, plus 8y. Alright, and then substitute the value 0, 2 into x or into y. You will substitute it into y. Okay, because now we do it for y, dy, is it? Okay, so substitute into y. So you have x here 4 over 2 plus 16. Okay, so this one 2x plus 16. Okay, done. Now we proceed to the second one. Okay, the second one means the outer one. Okay, so to integrate the second one, the second limit, you use this answer that you get, not the original one. Okay, you must use the answer that you get here. Okay, the answer that you get here. So you integrate 2x plus 16. Okay, so means that if your answer here is wrong, so suppose be your final answer also will be wrong. So make sure you integrate carefully here. Even in the step 1 lah, maksudnya in the first step or in the first integral, you must calculate carefully. Okay, because if the answer is wrong, it will affect your final answer as well. Okay, so 2x plus 16, and then the limit here is 0, 3. And you will integrate with respect to x. So after that, you will get over 2 plus 16x. Okay, substitute 0, 3. So this one x square plus 16x. Okay, so x square 3, 9 plus 16 times 3, 48. So the total here is 57. Okay, the final answer is 57. It must be numbers. Okay, you need or you supposed get numbers. You cannot be have another variable. Okay, tak boleh ada x or y dah. Okay, alright. So now I show you another one. Okay, so this is the question just now, right? Okay, so now I want to switch the limit. Okay, the function will remain, but now I will integrate dx first, followed by dy. Okay, I will do it for dx first. So if you do it for dx, means the limit also must be switched. Okay, because of dx, the limit is 0, 3. So now 0, 3 is the inside. Okay, and 0, 2 will be the outside one. Okay, so you solve first for dx. Just now we solve for dy first, is it? So now we solve for dx first. So you will get x squared y plus 8x. Okay, 8x. Right. So then substitute 0, 3 into x. So 9y over 2 plus 24. So by using this answer, you will integrate against, but now with respect to y. So means that the limit will be 0, 2, and here is your function, and integrate with respect to y. So you have 9 squared over 4 plus 24y, substitute 0, 2 into y. So 4, 4 cancel. So 9, 9 plus 48, 9 plus 48. So the answer will give you 57. So you can check. This one and this one is equal, right? And yeah, you should get the equal or the same answer. If you do, okay, for example, the first one you get 57, and then after that, after you switch these two integral, you get different answer. means that your answer for the second part is wrong. Okay, the final answer must be equal. Okay, the final answer, even though you change the limit itself, I'm saying even though you change means you do it for the x followed by dy, and you do it dy and followed by the x, your answer must be equal. Okay, so suppose your answer must be equal. Okay, alright, so okay, I'll give you another example. Example 2. Okay, integrate negative 2 to 0 to yx square dx dy. Alright, so now, okay, we take out first the first integral. So I take out the negative 2 to here. So we integrate with respect to x now. Okay, yx cubed over 3. Okay, and then substitute the value into negative 2. So 2 to 8. Okay, substitute into x. Okay, so 2 to 8 y over 3. Okay, and then minus, substitute negative. So it will be negative 8 y over 3. So it will be 8y plus 8y. Okay, over 3 lah. Okay, it's same, right? So it will be 16y over 3. Okay, 16y over 3. After that, you integrate again now with respect to y by using this answer. Okay, by using this answer. Okay, so now you have 16y squared over 6, 0, 2. So 4 times 16, 16 times 4, 64 over 6. So your answer is supposed to be 32 over 3. Okay, so now if you want to check whether the answer is correct, so we do it another limit. We do it another, we do it the same question but with a different rearrangement. Okay, we do it first for dy and then followed by dx. Okay, right, so 0 to yx squared dy. So you y squared x squared over 2, 0 to, substitute into y. So you have 4, 2, so cancel, so they have 2x squared. Okay, 2x squared. And then you repeat the same, but now your limit is negative 2, 2. So using this function with respect to x, so you have 2x cubed over 3, negative 2, 2. So 8, 16 over 3 minus will become plus 16 over 3. So 16 plus 16, okay, 32 over 3. So suppose you should get the same answer. Alright? Okay, class. Alright, so means that for the rectangular, okay, rectangular means contoh, for example, you get this one as your question. Okay, but you want to solve this way, it's okay. Okay, it will be okay lah for you. Tak ada masalah for you to switch the integral. Okay, tak ada masalah because it already show you that it will give the same answer, right? So it doesn't matter you want to solve dx dy or dy dx. It's up to you because for rectangular it's okay. You will get the same answer. Okay, but now we want to go to non-rectangular. Okay, for non-rectangular, please bear in your mind. Okay, for non-rectangular, you cannot simply switch the limit. Okay, I write down first. Okay, rectangular. Okay, rectangular fxy. Okay, this one a b c d. Fx fy is equal if you do it c d a b fxy dy dx. dy dx. Okay, this one is dx dy. Okay, so means that if you do it for dx dy, will be same answer like you solve for dy dx, but make sure the limit will be switched as well. Okay, so the limit must be switched as well lah. Okay, this one for rectangular, so it's okay if you want to change the limit, but for non-rectangular, okay, for non-rectangular, you can't solve like this way. Okay, you can't solve like the rectangular just now. this is not equal as this. Okay, even though you change the limit and the integral, the answer will be not equal. Okay, the answer will be not equal. So you cannot simply interchange the limit. Okay, tak, for the non rectangular, you tak boleh suka hati tukar limit dia. Maksudnya you nak buat, kalau soalan bagi, let's say the question give you to add dx dy, and you want to solve dy dx, and then you just switch the limit, it will be wrong answer. It will give you a wrong answer. Okay. So in the next video, I will show you for non-rectangular, okay, for the non-rectangular, and also how to change the limit. Okay, for the non-rectangular, they have another steps when we want to change the limit. Alright, okay.